In this video, I'll show you how to edit items in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left hand side, you want to click on the second option, which is for sales. Now, under sales, the items that we can edit are our products and services. These are our existing items within Xero. Now, you want to click on the fifth option, which is products and services. And then once you do that, you'll be taken to the products and services. And in here, you'll see all of your products. And in order for you to edit a product item, you want to hover your mouse on a product item. And on the right hand side, you will see the three dots for more actions. So just simply click on that. And from here, you can edit, duplicate, adjustment, archive, or delete. Now, to edit an item, simply head over to the very first option and click on edit. Once you do that, you'll be able to edit your item. So, on the edit item section, you need to add your code as well as the name of the product. You can also track or not track the inventory and even add the inventory asset account. On the purchase section, this is where you can add the cost price, the cost of goods which are sold, and the tax rate. On the description, you can even add the description of the product as well as add to sell, meaning you will add the sale price, its sales account, which is on sales. This is dependent on your product. You can even add a tax rate, either VAT on sales, tax on purchases, or add a tax exempt. Now, this is dependent on your tax rates also. And at the bottom, you want to add a description. And once you're done with editing your item, just simply head over to the bottom and the right corner and it will automatically save. And at the bottom and the left corner, you'll see a pop up stating that the item has been updated. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.